myself, Kavya Peresami. Like, you know me as Frappe Evangelist of 2025 now. So, I was into Frappe community almost 6 years now. So, I started as a developer at first. Like, I was a contributor as well, like for the biometric integration. And, India banking now. Like, I was a contributor of ICICI Bank API integration at first. Like, it was almost 3 years I was into a development. I'm not actively contributing, but after this Frappeverse, I will definitely start contributing my to the code base, definitely. And again, like the last 3 years were mostly into the implementation and project management, tech lead. And 2 years back, I started my I quit my 9 to 5 and started my own company, which is Fintrosis. And this is where like everything started. Once I quit 9 to 5, I got some time to to share the world what I'm learning and all. So that's where like it all started with by sharing my diary notes in the LinkedIn. That is how the content journey begins. So don't do something regularly, otherwise Frappe community will identify you and avoid you with something like Frappe evangelism. So that is how it happens. Like I was it has ups and downs. Sometimes I got criticism, but that's a part of journey actually. But moving forward, like I want to evangelize this product more, and I want to spread this word, and even my neighborhood know what Frappe is. So that is the whole dream. When it comes to Frappeverse, last actually 3 years now, like I'm visiting the Frappeverse. So it's on Mumbai only. Like mostly it's not a conference actually, community collaboration or movement we can say. Like it's like alumni meets. Few contributors were showed. Like yeah, that's how keep contributing. And when it comes to Frappeverse, I like this place, like the Nehru Stadium here. And the food was like really awesome, and we have stalls also. Like we came to know more about the products they are building up. So because Frappe has their own products and the partner ecosystem also building their own products, that is into different verticals of the industries. I think as a kind of community, I'm not at a partner yet, but maybe I will. Yeah, maybe I will. But the thing is, I want to like keep evangelizing every products that is part of the ecosystem, even if it's open source or not open source, that is fine. But I want to keep evangelizing the products. That's the motive. And I really like the talks because we have two tracks here. Like one is Hall of Knowledge and Hall of Vision was there, and track one was there separately. Like that's all. Yesterday we had a musical show that is like they have shown like different cultures of the Indian. Like even I am not aware about. Like I'm a part of India, but still the music connects me. Like even I do sing when in my childhood days. So yeah, so I think like it gives a goosebumps. Overall, the journey was great. And there are multiple products lined up, and there were lots of surprises every year. Like this year we have like some video making. As a content writer, I find myself not able to video edit. Like I don't know like how media works and all. I need someone helps. So now I think Jannat has developed a product. Like it helps actually. And Frappe Meet was that. Like I think Google will be replaced with every productivity suite. So that's the great actually. So next thing, Google Map will be there one day. Yeah,
Hopefully, yeah.
the Google Map,
And then
Frappe Maps,
Frappe Pay.
Frappe Maps, Frappe
Frappe
Pay.
Pay,
Yeah,
yeah.
that's how the whole journey goes. Yeah, like
Thank you so much.
yeah, really thanks a lot for that.
Thank you so much for this interview.
Yeah.
Thank you.